Hi, I'm Sarah Mestis, and I have over 10 years combined upper management experience with Fortune 500 companies, as well as self-employment experience. My number one priority as your mayor will be economic development. To have a plan to retain existing businesses, offer competitive incentives for those businesses, as well as attracting new businesses to San Leandro. I think economic development is what is going to close our budget gap in the long term. I do care about San Leandro past my 4 years of administration, so if it takes 5 to 10 years to come to fruition, I've done my job. As your mayor, I will reach out to various parties in a nonpartisan manner, working to break down communication barriers and helping to facilitate a consensus and ultimately coordinate and leverage action. As our labor force declines, we need to create jobs both union and non-union. We need to offer competitive wages and benefits, but most importantly, we must form collaborative and regional partnerships with citizens, organizations, labor unions, private companies, small business, and entrepreneurs. We must make sure that our labor force is trained. We must find the industry that we are going to grow. We must define our values as a community, and it should be a citizen-driven economic development plan that we choose. I am for keeping 100% pensions for officers, but maybe thinking of incentives for employees, asking employees to contribute a small 2% or live in the city of San Leandro. I believe that there should be a third-tier pension program for new officers that join the force. Please realize that none of these pension reforms will affect existing employees. If we do not raise taxes, we will risk losing vital services. I think that we need to raise taxes this time and come up with a concrete plan to avoid